Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is critical path. Friend, this is a very important topic in project management and today we'll see this topic in detail. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. What is critical path? Friend, when we are managing projects, in project planning, the critical path is the longest sequence of tasks or activities that must be done to successfully complete the project. Tasks that are in the critical path cannot start until the previous task has been completed. These are tasks that, if delayed for a certain amount of time, will throw the whole project off schedule. Basically, friend, critical path is a planning technique in which we identify the task and we identify the longest path to complete the activities, complete the project. So the activities which are on the critical path, that means if any delay occurs in that activity, so the project will also become delay. And if the other aspect of that is if any activity is not on the critical path, so if we get some delay in that as well, so there are high chances that the project will not delay. So we can focus on those activities as well who have some buffer, who have some time, and it will not delay the project. So now what is how to identify the critical path? What is the procedure? First of all, identify the activities. That means from the WBS work breakdown structure, you have to identify the activities which you need to complete and accomplish for a project. Then identify the dependencies between the activities. Dependency means relationship between the activity. Relationship means that like which activity will finish, then which activity will start. So you have to identify the relationship between the activity. Then create a network diagram, estimate the timeline, like how much time is required to complete the activity, and then find the critical path. Critical path mean is the longest duration, longest path to complete the project, and then revising during the execution as well. Here friend, I can give you a try to give you a simple example. For example, if you start from here and these are the activity, like activity A 4 weeks, then activity B 6 weeks, activity C is 4 weeks, then activity D 12 weeks, activity E is 7 weeks, activity F is of 9 weeks, and then G is of 6 weeks, and then this one end. If you just see from here friend, try to see if from start to end how you can reach. For example, if you start from here, you can go like A, D and end. Similarly, start A, then E, then G, then end. Another way is that start, then E, sorry, B, then C, then E, then G, and then end. Another way is start B, F, G, and end. Okay, so now there are these are the ways or paths are available through which you can complete the project. Remember friend, one thing, that A, B, C, these are the activities. Like for example, software development is activity, software QA is another activity, user acceptance is another activity. So here we are just representation is a as an alphabetic notation. Okay, and these are the duration or time to complete the project. Now if you just see from here, calculate how to calculate the critical path from start A, D, E and end. It will require 16 weeks. How we have calculated? Like we have added the duration. Similarly, the second path S, A, E, G, E, end, the duration will be 16 weeks. Then S, B, C, E, G, and it is the 22 weeks. And then fourth path is S, B, F, G, E, is having 20 weeks. When we are adding, it will become 20 weeks. So now friend, if you just see from here, S, B, C, E, G, N, it is having 22 weeks. So 22 weeks, it is the longest duration. So that is the critical path. Okay, so 22 weeks is the critical path. Any other activity which is not lies on that particular path, that means it is not on the critical path, and we can have some delay. We can accept, we have some leverage to accept some delay in it. However, if any activity like B, C, E, G, any activity delay from here, obviously your project will also be delayed. So critical path is the longest duration. If you just see from here 16, 16, 22, 20. So 22, it is the longest duration, and no activity which is on that particular path of critical cannot be accepted as delayed. If any activity on critical path will delay, your project will also be delayed. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.